Hey, what's going on, everyone? Benny Charles, founder of Teach Me to Fish FX trading community. I also go by the Forex pastor, and we're back with another video. Please remember that there are risks involved when trading Forex. I am not a professional or licensed financial advisor, and these videos are based on my opinion. All right. Hey, what's going on? All right. So it is 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I'm basically going to go through our pair watch in this video, and then I'll come back to do uh, some live trading for you guys as well. Okay. All right. First pair up, uh, GBP USD. We had an exhaustion square to print for our 1 a.m. to 5 a.m. Eastern. Excuse me, our 5 a.m. to 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. All right, and so we're just waiting for our entry rules to be met before we take that trade. So we'll be looking to short that on the 4 hour. Euro odd. We had an exhaustion square here as well. All right, this looks like this was our, let's see, 9, 5. This is our 1 to 5 a.m. Eastern Standard Time candle. All right, and so we're just waiting for our entry rules to complete on that before we um, get into this trade on the 4 hour. Now, guys, always remember that you can drill down to the lower time frames and get in on these trades earlier if you find a setup. Okay. Uh, GBP Swiss, we had exhaustion square back here on Tuesday. Um, Actually, would have had a no, we wouldn't, because we got a direction. We got a reverse directional arrow, so we wouldn't have been in that one just yet. There, we would have. So, still waiting for this one to give us a 4 hour color changing candle below the red and yellow on the TDI. All right, so nothing there. Let's take a look at gold. Um, no setup for gold this week. It's actually still running from last week's setup. So if you're in that, kudos to you. Um, let's see, you would have gotten in on this candle for 362 pips, but right now you are probably at break even if you did not check out there. All right, GJ, same thing, still working with that setup from last week. Okay. Last week you would have gotten in here. Saw some profit of 43 pips, but GJ has been moving sideways, so uh, just a total balance here. So GJ has just been moving sideways, so um, probably getting a breakout to the upside based on my higher time frame analysis um, that I've been doing. But Euro NZD, all right, we do have an exhaustion square. So again, we're waiting on a directional arrow as well as a color changing candle that will put the green EMA above the yellow and red EMA. All right, and again, this is 4 hour. This is on the 4 hour chart. GBP odd actually gave us a trade for at the end of this candle. So this will be a good one to get into if you're trading our system. All right, GBP odd. So let's actually go ahead and go with that. Give me 1 second. Let me check the news. GBP odd. See, Australia's coming out at 9:30 a.m. So we will go ahead and buy into that. Okay, so we're in on GBP odd. Um, it's probably going to be like a short run. Let's see. All right, short run, 55 pips, but that's fine. So what I'm going to do is come in here and do a trailing stop. Um, we'll take that. So just in case we get a runner, it'll break even. All right, that's that. GBP odd. So that's one trade that we're in. All right, so we're currently in profit. Should be in profit on GBP odd. All right, it's fluctuating. We're doing this thing fluctuating. We'll have to drill down and see what's going on with that. All right, GBP CAD. Same thing. Actually got a signal here. Actually got the directional arrow at the same time. So we actually did not get a signal yet for GBP CAD. So our signal, as long as this closes, this candle closes blue, you would get into this one and basically look to break even at 1.74868. All right. And when I say break even, you're gonna basically just set your stop loss to whatever your entry is up to that point. You'll set a trailing stop. Once it gets there, it'll put your trade at break even. All right, and then if you catch a runner, you catch a few pips that way. Okay. GBP NZD. All right. Same thing. Still waiting on a directional arrow and a color changing candle. All right, before we get into that trade, let's take a look at the dollar. We do have an exhaustion square on the dollar, so we're just waiting on the directional arrow and the color changing candle that puts us above um, the red and the yellow on the TDI. S&P 500. S&P 500. We did get an exhaustion square here, and if this candle closes and puts us, if this color changing candle closes red and puts us below the yellow and the red line on the TDI, then you can get into that trade. Okay. Um, Litecoin USD. Let's see. Exhaustion square. We do have a color changing square. We don't have a directional arrow. Um, Again, I strictly, when I'm trading this system, I strictly wait for the direction. I wait for everything to be, I wait for all the entry rules, okay, to be met before I get in. So it's just one of those things. But again, we go through enough pairs to where you should be catching enough pips. So, all right, that is it for my pair watch. You guys know that I pretty much trade all pound pairs, Euro I, Euro NZD, gold, S&P 500 dollar index, and the Litecoin versus the USD. I don't even know why I have this other stuff on there. And just update, like, symbol changer. Yeah, I don't even, probably because of this one. Let's close that. Let's try it now. Do I have, I don't have Aussie on here. I don't know why that's showing. Aussie and USD. I don't know why that's showing. Anyway, so that's going to be it for this pair watch. I'll be back, guys, with some live trading um, for you guys as well. So we are currently in on the GBP odd based off of the workflow trading system that I've put together. If you're interested in getting this system, all right, if you're interested in getting this system and getting the training behind the system, then head over to the teachmetofishfx.com and sign up on one of the affordable membership levels, and you'll get the trading, you'll get the training, you'll get the system, and you also get my training on how the market actually works and flows. All right. So again, I call this basically the training wheels. Okay. This is for if you want to be able to trade Forex without thinking about a lot, then that's what this system is for. However, at the same time, I'm teaching you and helping you to develop how to trade, how to actually trade Forex to be, even more profitable than with this system. So if you're interested in that, then please feel free to head over and sign up. You won't be disappointed. I am a hands-on mentor, hands-on coach, so you will not be disappointed. All right, guys. So that's going to be it for me right now. If you're commenting down in the comments, I don't have that up right now, so I can't see the comments, but I'll go back and I'll respond to you in the next video. Okay. But as always, guys, I appreciate your support. If you have not done so yet, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and make sure you select the bell notification icon, because you're going to want to know the next time I go live or whenever I post a video. Um, if you have not heard yet, what I've decided to do is I'm going to start doing some giveaways, small giveaways, but nonetheless giveaways. I'm going to be giving $25 to go towards your to funding your Forex broker account. That I'm also going to give you a free 30-minute coaching session to help you to be able to flip that account. Okay. All right, guys. So that is going to be it for me for right now. As always, if you stay in God, you will stay in control. And I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.